Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning everyone. Okay, so for today we are moving on with our non-textbook lesson topic, which is color matters. All right, before doing so, I would like to again invite all of you who are here to share your thoughts or perhaps your questions in the live chat section, because we have that for this session. So if you have any question, you can just straight away post on the live chat section so that we can discuss them accordingly. Okay, so right now we are going to start our lesson with the quizzes. So to do so, I need you to join in the link that I've shared with you on your WhatsApp group so that we can start the session promptly. Okay, so before we start our lesson, I think it's important for us to recognize that this is a lesson about colors, and there are certain things about colors that we normally associate or connect them with. Okay, for example, red is always associated with bravery or love um, or what we call some sort of independence. Okay, so what do you think color means to you? Okay, before that, can you share with me in the live chat section your favorite color? Do you have any favorite color? And then share them in the live chat section. Okay, before we share the whole thing. Okay, let me just share this screen first. Don't forget to share what's your favorite color in the live chat section. Very quickly type in the live chat section so that we can have a little bit of a session of what colors mean to you. Okay. Anybody? Just share in the live chat section. Do not be shy. You can just type in the comment section, live chat section. What's your favorite color and what does it mean to you? Anybody in the live chat section? Okay, I'll start first. How about I like red. Sorry, I like blue because it reminds me of a lake in Switzerland. I've started one comment there on your live chat section. Anybody can try to comment in your live chat section. That'd be great. I saw a few already watching this session. If you can just share your thoughts about your favorite color, that would be great. I'm still waiting though. Okay, I'm guessing everyone's a little bit shy today. It's fine. But if you at any point of the lesson that you want to share about your favorite color, that'd be really appreciated so that we can have a little bit of chat about it. Right. So let's start with our lesson. Okay. We have 14 in the session now. I was hoping for more. Okay. Okay, so this is the lesson for today because this is almost like what we call a guide for your writing task later. Okay, so it's very important for you to participate in the lesson so that it's easier for you to write your task later, to fulfill your task later. Okay, let's look at what's your favorite color. Okay, so there are a lot of colors that you have in the world. So colors, they are there not just for what we call aesthetic or cantik saja. Okay, they have they have meanings. Okay, so they are sometimes used a lot in brands, in logos, or even in our school badge, and it normally signifies something. Okay, so the colors chosen for certain brands or even our school's logo, they are not there for just for the sake of it. They are there for a reason, and normally with colors, they have specific reasons for specific colors. Okay, let's. I think we have a little bit of quiz that you can try. Let's get ready, shall we? Okay, this is the first question. Purity, innocence, goodness, and faith are the meaning of which color? You have 6 more seconds. Okay, we've got Shafiq Ikwan as leading the whole class for now. Okay, so the answer is white. Okay, so normally white. Okay, purity means kesucian. Innocence means again, innocence is also kesucian. Goodness, kebaikan, and faith ataupun kepercayaan are the meaning of each color. So it's definitely white. Okay, white's normally signifying innocence or purity. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next question. Get ready. I hope there's more participation. So far, there's only 9 of you answering the question. I hope more participation are coming from all of you. Okay, next question. Okay, we've got 30 seconds. Light, joy, youth, and energy. This one is quite easy. Okay, good. Shafiq, Ikwan, you are still leading. All right, let's see if you can maintain that after this. Okay, so again, light, joy, youth, and energy. We normally talk about this as the meaning of for yellow color. Okay, let's move on to the next one. All right, congratulations, Naufal. You are stealing that place from Shafiq. Okay, so yes, very good. All of you managed to answer it correctly. Danger, blood, passion, love, and fear, they normally associate with red. Very good. Okay, all right, let's move on to the next question. Okay, there are a few positions changing, which is good. Shows how quick you are when you're answering the question. Okay, earth, dirt, and nature are the meaning of which color? It's actually for brown. Okay, because if you can see there, although earth may quickly be interpreted as green, but if you can see there's the word dirt there, we normally associate dirt with brown. And for brown, we normally also associate earth and nature with it. Okay? All right, let's move on to the next question. Okay, still unchanging. All right, let's look at, very good. All of you answered this correctly. We see 16 of you. We can actually have only 13. So if you can, please participate as much as you can in this class. All right, I know that it's almost the end of the session for this semester. So please make sure that you manage to participate in the class. Okay, opportunity, depth, strength, truthfulness, water, and coal. Again, although you don't know what opportunity, depth, or strength, or even truthfulness might mean in colors, but you have water and coal. So that is a clue for you, means that it's for blue. All right, let's move on to the next one. Very good, Mama Hafiz. You're improving your position. Okay, very good. Okay, this one, it's quite clear, I think. Nature, growth, innocence, progress, and jealousy. Normally, we associate jealousy with green. So in English, we call it green with envy. Okay, so that's how we associate green with those meanings. Okay, next question. We don't associate this with pink and black. It's normally green. Right. Next question. Okay, somebody's improving their position. Right, we have learned this in the previous session. Okay, in the previous exercise that you did on Tuesday, I think, we go in depth of the meaning of purple. And for the Western culture, okay, for the UK or the Brits, they associate purple with royalty, high status, or power. Okay, that's how the Western culture sees purple as the color. All right, I think last one, not sure. All right, let's move on to the next question. let's move on to the next question. It's normally for gray for this kind of meaning. Okay. Okay. All right. Very well. Okay, most of you answered correctly. Okay, compassion, love, and femininity always belongs to pink. Okay, compassion means belas kasihan, love and kasih sayang, and femininity means feminine lah. It's normally related to the color pink. Okay, last question I think, and then before we move on to the writing. Okay. Right, so this is quite easy, quite clear. Night, evil, high status, mystery, and death are the meaning of black. Okay. All right, let's look at your task for today. Okay, this is a sample that you of writing that you need to produce today. Okay, so what you need to do for today is that you are going to write and tell us about your favorite color. Okay, so you're at the level where you need to explain your thoughts. Okay, you are not at you're already in form 1, so when you are in form 1, you're expected to be able to explain yourself. Okay, to elaborate on your points. Okay, so it's not enough if you just write to me. I would like to tell you about my favorite color and explain why I think it's perfect for this season. Okay, my favorite color is red. I think it's a warm and bright color, and that's it. Okay, so that would not be enough if you write as such. Okay, you need to write more and give reasons of why this orange is important. Okay, so in order for you to do that, you need to be able to use a very strong topic sentence. Okay, so how are you going to write strong topic sentence? Okay, or perhaps you learn in sekolah rendah, it's thesis statement or something like that. Okay, all right, so what we have now is you need to provide a very good topic sentence. Okay, so the first topic sentence would be, okay, the first topic sentence would be here. Okay, my favorite color is orange. I think it's a warm and bright color and it makes me feel happy and safe. Okay, so when you are talking about the color, you need to talk about how it is, you need to specify lah, give adjective to the color. For instance, if you take a green, I think it's a cool and calm color and it makes me feel, collected and safe, or perhaps calm and collected. Okay, so after that, after you mention the adjectives or sifat warna tersebut, you need to make sure how does that color makes you feel. Okay, mention that, and then you mention, when I see this color, I think of the autumn. Okay, so this writer used the word autumn. Autumn means musim luruh lah, because this writer is talking about orange. Okay, but you don't have to talk about because you're talking about seasons, right? So you have to mention what seasons lah. For instance, if you say that you're going to talk about green color, when I see this color, I think of the for me, if I see green color, it reminds me of a rainy season that we have right now. Okay, so you have to mention lah, although the rainy season may cause certain problems or the areas are wet everywhere, but I like how uh, green color becomes more vibrant every time. So that's how you elaborate the points. Okay, so you mentioned about the season. Okay, it could be hot season, rainy season, or even if even if those seasons are not available in Malaysia, we can talk about it too, because again, you watch movie and you know, you have a little bit of exposure how seasons work. Okay, how the weather works in those seasons. Okay, so and then you go straight. When I go outside, I enjoy walking through the dark orange leaves. Okay, and listening to the sound they make under my feet. I also think of the smell of fire when I see this color. Okay, so again, the first topic sentence is the autumn. Okay, next, it's about okay, next one is I also think the smell of fire. Okay, this one is also the next topic sentence. Okay, it's great to be at home and sit by the warm fire with my family. Orange is also the color of my favorite fruit. Food, carrot soup. Okay, so again, you can talk about season first. One, you talk about season. Second, you talk about what does it remind you of? The smell of what? Of that color. And last one is the favorite food. Okay, it's so delicious. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's so delicious. This warm and beautiful color should be everywhere this season, outside, in our homes, and even our plates. So remember, you need to talk. The first topic sentence is you're talking about the weather, okay, or even the seasons. Okay, and then after you talk about the weather, you talk about what does it remind you of. Okay, smell, the smell of it. What does it remind you of? And last one is the taste, your favorite food that is associated with the color. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, type in the live chat section so that it's I can address them accordingly. So far, no questions. Okay, so I'm going to share with you the space that you're going to write your essay. Again, we are using Google Slides, just like yesterday. Okay, I'm going to post it here. Okay, in the chat section. Later, I'm going to post it on the WhatsApp group as well. Okay, so okay, let me share the screen. Okay, so this is what you are expected to do lah. Okay, so this is the question for today. Competition, write and tell us about your favorite color. And okay, when you are writing your favorite color, don't forget to provide pictures. Okay, so if you want to provide pictures, you just perhaps you just use any of the layout here, and then you add pictures here. For instance, if you say that you want to talk about green color, okay, you can find it here. Okay, so there are a lot of colors there. Perhaps you want to use this one or this one. And you can write your text around here. Okay? Any question, class? Is there any question? No? All right. I think that you may finish. You may start the work now and finish by 12 o'clock. So I expect 28 more slides after the sample here. Okay. I think that's all for today, class. Thank you.